Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your account has been locked for violating our community guidelines. To learn more, please visit our help center. So if you see this kind of interface while logging into your Snapchat account, so how you can fix that. So first of all, you have to simply close this page. After now closing the page, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the Safari or any kind of browser you have. So here you have to simply search for Snapchat help center. So here you have to simply look for a Snapchat help center so that you can connect to the Snapchat, and they tell to the Snapchat support team that you have not violated any kind of community guidelines, and your Snapchat account locked has been not permissible. So here you can simply search for your problem. So here you have simply click on my account is compromised, because here you will find a form so that you can fill, and after that you will be able to provide the detail to Snapchat team that your account has been locked. So here you have to simply provide your username, your email, and after that you have to simply provide your mobile number, and after that you have to simply provide your details about the account, that what kind of problem you are facing. So here you can simply include the problem like you are facing. So after that you can all click on submit, and your problem will be submitted to the Snapchat support team, and they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.